Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel VitalSpark. Mornings can feel like a race. The alarm goes off, you're already thinking about work, school, traffic, or a packed schedule, and somehow breakfast becomes an afterthought. Maybe you grab a sugary pastry, skip breakfast altogether, or settle for another cup of coffee. But here's the thing. The first meal of your day can make a huge difference in how energized, focused, and satisfied you feel. And if you're looking for a breakfast that actually keeps you full until lunch, protein is your best friend. High-protein breakfasts help stabilize your energy, reduce mid-morning cravings, and support healthy muscles. The best part, you don't need to spend an hour cooking or be a professional chef. Many of the easiest, healthiest breakfasts can be made in less than 10 minutes. Let's start with one of the simplest options, Greek yogurt. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt is packed with protein. Just one serving can provide around 15 to 20 grams. Add fresh berries for natural sweetness, a handful of almonds or walnuts for healthy fats, and a sprinkle of chia seeds for extra fiber. In just a couple of minutes, you've created a breakfast that's creamy, delicious, and filling. Another classic favorite is eggs. Eggs remain one of the most affordable and nutritious protein sources available. Whether you enjoy scrambled eggs, boiled eggs, or a quick veggie omelet, they deliver high-quality protein along with important nutrients like vitamin D and choline. If you're short on time, boil several eggs at the beginning of the week so you can grab them on busy mornings. If you're always rushing out the door, protein smoothies are a lifesaver. Blend a scoop of your favorite protein powder with milk or a dairy-free alternative, a banana, frozen berries, spinach, and a spoonful of peanut butter. In less than 5 minutes, you'll have a portable breakfast that's easy to drink on the commute while still keeping you satisfied for hours. Overnight oats are another fantastic choice for busy Americans. The magic happens while you sleep. Mix rolled oats with Greek yogurt or milk, add chia seeds, cinnamon, and your favorite fruit, then leave the jar in the refrigerator overnight. By morning, breakfast is already waiting for you. The combination of protein, fiber, and slow-digesting carbohydrates helps provide long-lasting energy throughout the morning. If you love toast, don't worry, you don't have to give it up. Instead, upgrade it. Spread cottage cheese on whole grain toast and top it with sliced tomatoes, avocado, or everything bagel seasoning. Cottage cheese has become incredibly popular because it's loaded with protein while remaining low in calories. It's creamy, satisfying, and surprisingly versatile. Breakfast burritos are another smart option. Fill a whole wheat tortilla with scrambled eggs, black beans, cheese, and salsa. Make several at once, wrap them individually, and freeze them. On busy mornings, simply heat one in the microwave for a quick, protein-packed meal that tastes freshly made. If you're someone who enjoys a sweeter breakfast, protein pancakes can satisfy your cravings without loading you up on sugar. Many recipes use oats, eggs, cottage cheese, or protein powder to boost the protein content. Top them with fresh fruit and a small drizzle of maple syrup instead of heavy amounts of sugar. Don't overlook peanut butter, either. Spread natural peanut butter on whole grain toast, apple slices, or rice cakes. Pair it with a glass of milk or a serving of Greek yogurt for an even higher protein breakfast. Just be mindful of portion sizes since nut butters are calorie-dense. For people who meal prep, egg muffins are incredibly convenient. Mix eggs with chopped vegetables like spinach, peppers, onions, and mushrooms, then bake them in a muffin pan. Store them in the refrigerator and simply reheat 2 or 3 in the morning. They're portable, delicious, and perfect for hectic schedules. Another underrated breakfast is smoked salmon on whole grain toast with cream cheese or mashed avocado. Salmon provides not only protein but also heart-healthy omega-3 fats. It feels like a restaurant-quality breakfast while taking only a few minutes to prepare. If cereal is your go-to breakfast, choose wisely. Many traditional cereals are loaded with added sugar and offer very little protein. Instead, look for high-protein cereals and pair them with ultra-filtered milk or Greek yogurt to significantly increase the protein content. Even leftovers can become breakfast. Last night's grilled chicken with avocado, leftover turkey, or lean beef can all be part of a balanced morning meal. Breakfast doesn't have to follow traditional rules. If it's nutritious, high in protein, and works for your schedule, it counts. One common mistake people make is relying only on carbohydrates in the morning. Foods like donuts, muffins, and sugary cereals may give you a quick burst of energy, but they often leave you hungry again within a couple of hours. Adding protein slows digestion, helping you stay fuller and maintain more consistent energy levels throughout your day. When shopping for breakfast foods, read nutrition labels carefully. Some products advertise themselves as healthy but contain surprisingly high amounts of sugar and very little protein. Aim for foods with at least 15 to 20 grams of protein whenever possible. Combining protein with fiber-rich foods like fruit, vegetables, oats, or whole grains creates an even more satisfying meal. Remember, consistency matters more than perfection. You don't need a gourmet breakfast every morning. Even simple choices like Greek yogurt with berries, boiled eggs with fruit, or a protein smoothie are far better than skipping breakfast or grabbing something loaded with sugar. Busy mornings don't have to mean unhealthy mornings. With a little planning and the right ingredients, you can enjoy delicious, protein-packed breakfasts that fuel your body, sharpen your focus, and help you stay satisfied until lunchtime. Whether you're heading to the office, taking the kids to school, working from home, or hitting the road early, these quick breakfast ideas prove that eating healthy doesn't have to be complicated. Try a few of these options this week and see how much better your mornings, and the rest of your day, can feel.